Hello children, welcome to the science class. Children, let's continue our chapter 2. Now, we will discuss about balanced diet. Okay? So children, do you know what is balanced diet? First, we know what is diet. Okay? Then we know about balanced diet. So, what is diet? The food we normally consume in a day is called our diet. Okay? But what is balanced diet? A diet containing all the nutrients in adequate quantities is known as a balanced diet. Okay? Here children, adequate means proper quantities. Okay? In a balanced diet, energy-giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods are present in proper quantities. So children, last class we already discussed there are three main food groups are there. Energy-giving foods like carbohydrates and fats, bodybuilding foods like protein and protective foods like vitamins and minerals. So, in balanced diet, all food groups are present in proper quantities. Okay? A balanced diet thus provide the body with all the essential nutrients, energy required by the body for its growth and maintenance. Here children, one table is given. Nutrients in some food items. Here food items are given and here how much amounts of carbohydrate, fats, proteins and other nutrients are just given one chart. Suppose cereals. Wheat or rice has only 70% of carbohydrates, then very small quantity of fats, then 10% of proteins, then other nutrients, small amount of vitamins and minerals. Okay? So like this you see sugar, pulses, meat, fish, eggs, milk and milk products, cabbage, apple, orange, ghee and butter, jam, milk, chocolate. You see? Okay? A balanced diet is not the same for everyone because children, different ages peoples are there, old men, young men, then small child. So it differs from age to age. It varies with age, sex and the type of work that one does, means occupation. Okay? A young child needs to eat more protein rich food as the growth during early childhood is rapid. Pregnant women also need more protein extra. Protein is required by the baby growing inside the womb. A laborer doing hard work needs more of carbohydrates and fats as he needs more energy. Like this children, different age group has different amount of energy required. So balanced diet also differ from age to age. Then deficiency diseases. Diseases which occur due to the deficiency of one or more essential nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Okay? Diseases develop if the deficiency continues over a long period of time. Deficiency diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to another and can be prevented by eating balanced diet. It must be understood that even excessive intake of food leads to health problems. Excessive intake of food is called overeating. Okay? And it leads to a condition called obesity. Like this. This is a condition in which the body tends to gain weight and becomes fat. Obesity leads to problems of the heart. Here, deficiency of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. Deficiency of carbohydrates in the diet leads to body weakness, loss of stamina. The body thus gets tired quickly. Then deficiency of proteins. Proteins are body building foods. Following symptoms appear if a person does not get enough proteins in the diet. Okay? These are the symptoms. First one is stunted growth, means reduced growth rate, then swelling of face, diarrhea, then discoloration of hair, means children changing the natural color of hair, means our natural color of hair is black, it may be changed into yellow, brown, okay, like this. Then skin problems, swollen abdomen or protruding belly, means enlarge or expand or increase our belly. Then in children, deficiency of proteins leads to severe malnutrition and diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus. Okay, these two diseases occurs only children. Kwashiorkor is disease which occurs in children due to protein deficiency, and marasmus is a disease which occurs due to the deficiency of proteins as well as carbohydrates in children. Okay. Then deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Table 2.3 and 2.4 give the list of various vitamins and minerals, their function, deficiency, diseases, symptoms and sources. So table 2.3 and 2.4 is given about vitamins. So here written vitamin A. Here function is given, deficiency, diseases, symptoms and sources. Vitamin A function is keeps the eyes and skin healthy. Disease like loss of vision or night blindness. Symptoms loss of vision in the dark. Sources carrot, tomato, green leafy vegetables, etc. Then B complex, means first we discuss about B1, helps in energy release. Then disease is very, symptoms very little energy to work, weak muscles, cereals, these are the sources, cereals, peas, potatoes, etc. Then B2, function formation of red blood cells, disease like anemia. Then symptoms, blood is deficient in red blood cells, so skin looks pale, lack of appetite. Then sources, meat, liver, yeast, fish and milk. Then vitamin C keeps teeth, gums and bones healthy. Then disease is scurvy. Symptoms, swelling and bleeding of gums, swelling of joints. Then sources, citrus fruit means lemon, orange, okay, tomato and sprouts. Then vitamin D, formation of strong bones and teeth, disease like rickets. Symptoms, weak bones, decaying teeth, bow legs, and development of pigeon chest conditions. Then sources, sunlight, milk, fish and eggs. Then last one is vitamin K, helps in blood clotting. Disease like clotting of blood is affected. Symptoms, bleeding from gums. Sources, spinach, cabbage, eggs and liver. So children, you learn the vitamins, functions, deficiency diseases, symptoms and sources. Then here minerals. It is about vitamins and it is about minerals. Okay. Here also minerals, children, functions, deficiency diseases, symptoms and sources are given. So minerals like calcium, sodium and potassium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, chlorine are given. This table you read yourself and try to remember. Okay. These are very useful for your future time. So children, you remember. Then children, these are some definitions are given in your book. Means what is nutrients, what is diet, what is balanced diet, then what is deficiency diseases. So this definition also you learn. So this is about your chapter 2. Again you read the lesson, whole lesson. Okay. And which are important, I told you. That one you practice at your home. Before that you practice, children, these 2 tables. These are very, very important. Okay. Thank you.